So my WaterPik broke. How unfortunate. This tube just cracks. How frustrating. So I took the tip off. I'm going to pop this end off. Take the spring out. And then this is glued, but I popped it, and got it apart. Then this comes out. We'll take this piece off, and now there's a piece of tubing. I'm going to split the tubing and see if I can just connect this tubing to it. It'll be a little shorter, but it will work. Let's try that. So let's split. Oh, there it comes up. So there's that tubing. Let's cut this so it has a nice straight end. Now this is fragile. This may not work. We'll see. And then we'll put this clamp here. Put that back together. This supports this. It's the valve. This goes back in here. My God, look. I think we got it fixed. I'm going to glue it. I think it's fixed, and then we'll just put this end on. Here. Wow. There's the tip. Fantastic. I'm just going to glue this, and I think we fixed it. Pretty simple. We'll just clamp this in place. I have these little clamp guys. And we'll just super glue it. I think this is going to work. Alright, here we go. Remember, no electronics in here, so if it's not a perfect seal, it's okay. A little super glue. Let this dry, and we're probably in business. So I put 4 of those little clamps. Any kind of clamp will work, but you can see the function is good. Is it? Oh, shit. No good. Ugh, the tubing is brittle. So when I was fixing this WaterPik, I thought I was really clever. I took this apart, cut the tubing off, reconnected it, glued it together, and then unfortunately this tubing's very brittle and it just broke right off. So we need to replace this connector and the tubing, but fortunately those parts are readily available. Let's take a look. This is the new replacement part. It has the complete head, a coiled tube, and a connector with a grommet and a place for a screw. So let's replace this and see how it works. These are available Amazon, eBay, on the internet for approximately $10, so it's a quick, easy fix. Let's take a look at the bottom of the device. You can see there are 2 stainless steel screws that hold this in, and that should be a pretty easy fix to replace that. And also we need to release this tape. So we'll use a Phillips screwdriver. See if we can carefully take these little stainless steel screws out of here. Then we'll see if we can just pop this out. Feed the tubing back through here. We'll see if this will just come out of there nicely. There it is. So we'll discard this with the broken end, and then we'll install our new one, bringing the tubing through the box. Fixing that. Oh, it's set in there really nicely, snugly, so it should have a good fit. Then we'll just replace these two screws, and we should be in good shape. Let's give it a try here in a second. I didn't want to have to buy a new WaterPik because everything else is great other than this cheapy tubing. As usual, a chain's only as strong as its weakest link, and there's another good example of that. There's the new connection. That works pretty well. Pop it out. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try. Here we go. Oh, there we go, nice. So we've got a nice working unit again. Well, that was a good, easy fix. So thank you for watching. This was an easy fix. Instead of buying a whole new unit, $10 fixed it, and it was super easy. This is a really nice, identical replacement part, fixing the problem with this tubing that gets brittle with time. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you like, please click like, and please comment. I enjoy the comments and I respond to them all. Again, Adventures with Dr. Joe. Stay safe.